Well, hello. Yeah. Or how you guys doing today? Well, I got me a little project. Not a project, but I got something for projects. So there's a place like where I live, and they do like wood. I mean, not wood. Sorry. They do signs uh, signs, or they'll do like awnings for like awnings for companies, and all kind of like stuff like that, where they have billboard signs, stuff like that. Well, anyways, they get a lot of crates, and typically when they put stuff out for free, they're gone like within hours. And sometimes I'll see them and they're gone. Well, today as I was driving by from coming from work, the good timing of it, they were putting a big long crate out, so I snabbed it. Let me show you it real quick. There you go. A lot of projects with this wood. It's probably, oh God, probably 15 foot long, maybe. Long boards. I mean, they're decent boards, man. I got a lot of projects out of it. It's good on the sides. There's two on the sides going down, and two on that side going down. And there's about four at the bottom. And even these end pieces, can't really see in the shadow, but yeah, I mean, it's massive. Still dry good wood. So if I take it apart now, I'm going to bring it down to the basement, get it all cut up with the sizes I need. A lot of fall projects. Fall projects will be made with it. I got quite a list of stuff that people want done. I got the pumpkins. I got. Oh man. Oh, actually, there's this. I'm doing something for someone. Well, not really for someone, but they asked if I can make a couple of things, and they want these like napkin holder things or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see how that goes. So it's gonna be me ripping apart this crate. I was hoping for the sun to be down sooner, but it's supposed to rain later, I think. And I don't want to get a chance of it getting wet. It's gonna be a lot of work, but see what happens. So I'll probably start on it in a little bit, and I'll show you a little bit. I'll put my little video taking it apart. No biggie, but I'll probably do all the fast forward work on that one, so you're not watching me swear and yell and get angry. Okay, peace out. Okay, I'm going at it. Wish me luck. One. One. I'm getting there. I'm going to take the ends off. I'll try to save the ones in the middle. These aren't really nothing to use. There's nails all through them. Burn pile. It's actually pretty good wood. I mean, to be honest, it's pretty decent. I don't see that much cupping. I think those two middle ones might be cedar. I'm not even sure. It smells like cedar when I cut it. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I think it is cedar, I'm not sure. It smells like cedar. Okay, that's about it on it. I just got them other two pieces. I gotta just take those two center pieces out like I just did on that last one, on our last couple. So there's only two boards on each. So it shouldn't take that long. A little easier than I thought. I thought it'd been more swearing and cussing, but it turned out pretty good. Yeah. So I got a lot of projects I can use out of that wood. A lot. I didn't see hardly any cupping. It seems they're straight. Again, fall's coming up. I got Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So I'll get everything ready to go. But that was luck, like I said. As soon as they put stuff out, because it's always big pallets. Like sometimes they'll have really good pallets down there, like big. I mean, those are probably 5/8 thick. The boards, they're pretty thick. I mean, they're more than half. They're more than a half inch. Well, that's just little pieces, but yeah, they're thick. So they hold a lot. Oh, they hold a lot of stuff in them. But yeah, whenever they put stuff out, people grab them. I mean, I've gotten quite a bit out of there over the years, don't get me wrong. But typically, when they put stuff out, you better be ready because it's gone the next day or a couple hours. Okay, that's about it for this one. And then I'm going to start on the projects this weekend. So today is Friday 20th, I think. I'm not even sure. 20th? I think. So tomorrow, the wifey works all day. So that'll give me a time to get a good day down there and see what I can come up with. I said I am doing the floating table. I'm at points at it now where I just got to figure out the chain, like how to get the chain to adjust. That. I am making a coat rack, a standing coat rack. That's another project I'm on. I'm on that too. So I've got a couple of different things going on, and then a lot of fall stuff. So be ready. I know that last video was kind of long. I'm not going to make it that long. That was just like a fluke video. I could have just ordered a handle for my drill press, and I just was like, why? It's like $10 on Amazon, whatever it was. But it was just something to do. Okay, peace out.